welcome back to my channel. If you are new, then welcome to my channel. It is Day back again with another video for y'all. And today, y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not in the best mood. I'm just feeling a little discouraged, a little frustrated, but that's okay. It's totally okay. Like, it's okay to feel down as long as you remember to get back up. So what I'm doing to make myself feel better, I'm gonna do a new makeup look, get more back into my creative makeup, because at first I was just doing like a bunch of natural looks. So today we're gonna do something creative inspired by this one item. This whole look is inspired by this one item I just bought the other day. I bought this pearl headband from the Dollar Tree and I thought it was so cute. And I already had these at home and they're just like little pearl things, and we're gonna try to make a creative look with these items today. But yeah, I don't know. I feel like I always get on here and I'm all like super happy, but that's not the case all the time. I am human. I have different emotions every day, and I thought it would be a good idea to show you guys like me not in a great bubbly mood, I guess. But yeah, so right now I got some wine, a little glass of wine, and we're gonna do makeup, and I'm gonna listen to some music to get myself in a better mood. So we're gonna go ahead and get started, but I just noticed that I'm in the process of washing my makeup brushes that I usually use. So we're gonna be using some old makeup brushes. Like, when's the last time y'all seen one of these? Like, this is old. So we're gonna be using some old brushes that I don't usually use. I'm not gonna go in full detail of my makeup routine if you guys are interested in my makeup routine, because it's the same thing every time except like different eyeshadow or whatever. But if you guys are interested in like my foundation routine, eyebrows and everything, check out my everyday makeup routine. I'll have that right here for you guys. Because literally it's the same way every single time. But yeah, I'm just feeling like really discouraged. Nothing's wrong. I don't want y'all to think that something's wrong. Like, nothing's wrong, everything's good. Like, I can't complain as far as like I'm healthy, I'm breathing, I have a roof over my head, I have food. Like, I can't complain like that. It's just, I don't know. It's kind of like you want to be where you want to be, but I guess like something bigger than you doesn't want you to be there just yet. I guess that's what I'm trying to like tell myself, that it's not me, it's just not my time yet, I guess. And that's what's kind of like getting me down. So like, I personally have a lot of goals and a lot of hopes and dreams that I'm being impatient. Like, that's just the truth of it. I'm being impatient and I want it all right now, and it doesn't really work that way in the world. So I need to tell myself, like, basically I just need to come back down to earth and realize that it's not your time, and that's okay. Like, your time will come. It's important to let yourself feel. I've learned that from experience. I feel like I used to suppress a lot of emotions, and that's not good. So allow yourself to feel. Like, that's really important. Allow yourself to go through the motions, to feel sadness. If you need to cry, cry it out. Cry it out and then go about your day. Like, if that's what you need to do to feel better, then so be it. But it's important to let yourself feel your emotions. And that's my little pep talk for today. I'm about to put music on. Obviously, I have to put other music on top of the music I'm actually listening to because of copyright. But yeah, y'all enjoy me doing my makeup. I'm gonna speed it up a little bit and put some music over it, and I'll check in with you guys at the end for the finished product. Okay guys, this is the finished look, and I had a gospel music session. I drank my wine and my makeup looks lovely. So I feel better. I do feel better, and I'm glad that I was able to feel my feelings and get over it, and now we back to business. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna take some pictures. Make sure y'all follow me on my Instagram. It is down below in the description. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and turn your post notification bell on. I will see you guys in my next video, and I love you guys.